I want you to picture waking up, checking your dashboard, and seeing another $97 day from a faceless video that you didn't even record yourself. Here's the real play. Creators are quietly hitting about $3,000 a month with AI-assisted videos by combining three things: one repeatable content format, one simple production pipeline, and one monetization stack. In the next 7 minutes, you're going to learn a complete system you can start today, the exact video formats that monetize, the step-by-step workflow to produce 4 to 7 videos per week without burning out, and how to turn views into revenue even when your channel is small. Let's get straight into the method. Section 1, the $3,000 per month AI video method, step by step. Step 1, choose a low-risk, high CPM niche. You're not trying to go viral. You're trying to get paid. The niches that consistently support higher ad rates and buyer intent are personal finance basics, credit, budgeting, investing 101. Career and interview coaching. B2B software explainers, how tools work, comparisons. Productivity systems for professionals. Health and fitness education, non-medical, general. Pick one niche you can stick with for 90 days. If you want a starting point, B2B software explainers are the easiest because you can talk about tools, problems, and workflows without needing a personal brand. Step 2, use a repeatable video format that the algorithm understands. The highest leverage formats for AI video channels are 1. How it works explainers, what X is, how it works, who it's for. 2. Top 5 tools lists, the best tools for a clear job. 3. Step-by-step tutorials, do this, then this, then this. Your goal is not creativity. Your goal is consistency. Commit to one format for 20 videos. For example, 5 tools that save you 10 hours per week, or how to automate X in 15 minutes. Step 3, write the script with a simple template. Open a doc and use this structure. Hook, a result with a number. Promise, what you'll show them. Steps, 3 to 7 steps with specifics. Proof, examples, tools, or mini case studies. CTA, comment plus subscribe plus next video open loop. Aim for 900 to 1,100 words. At a natural pace, that lands you around 6 to 8 minutes, the sweet spot where watch time and production speed both work. Step 4, generate your voiceover. If you're using text-to-speech, don't use a robotic voice. Use a natural neural voice, slightly faster than normal, and keep sentences short. Then do one quick quality pass, listen to the first 30 seconds. If it sounds flat, rewrite the first 6 lines. Most channels fail because the hook sounds like a school presentation. Step 5, produce visuals with stock first, AI second. This is the cheat code. A lot of people try to generate every scene with AI images and it looks fake. Instead, use real stock footage for 80% of the video. Laptop work. Business meetings. App screens. City B-roll. Productivity shots. Then use AI visuals for 20%, mainly for abstract concepts. Futuristic visuals. On-screen text moments. This mix makes your channel look premium without you ever showing your face. Step 6, edit using a conveyor belt timeline.